If you want to use swipe for split screen on Samsung Galaxy A17, then first of all we need to open settings. Over here in settings we can scroll down in order to find advanced features. Then over here open multi-window and you should be able to find swipe for split screen, which can be enabled or disabled just by tapping on this switcher over here. But you can also tap on the option itself in order to find out how to use it. So as you can see, we can use 2 fingers and swipe from the bottom of the screen in order to activate the split screen. So let's give it a try. There we go. And now we can open the second app for the bottom half. We can change the position of these apps. We can tap on these 3 dots that we have in the middle in order to, for example, change it back. We can grab by these 3 dots in order to change the split so that, for example, the upper half is smaller. And that's pretty much it. Drag it all the way down or all the way up in order to go back to the full screen. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.